Good day. I am from Globalize Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive your buy data from Avantage Agency in the Philippines, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English? Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am. I'm willing.
Do you have
100%.
do you have any friends or any family members working here?
Nothing, ma'am.
Do you have tattoos in your skin?
Nothing.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
I'm healthy, ma'am. 100%.
If you feel unwell or if you think that there is something inside your body, better stay in the Philippines so that you won't give us problem at the same time, yeah?
Yes.
All right. So our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, I agree.
Is this your first time working abroad?
No, ma'am. I already work in Kuwait and Hong Kong.
Why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia?
Because high salary and low low expenses.
All right. So what is the quality of being a good domestic helper?
Hardworking, trustworthy, and I know how my quality of how to work and join for our family to good helper.
What is your name?
Rosemary Naldo,
How old are you?
34 years old.
Single or married?
Uh, Single in my passport, but I'm married po yet,
You
ma'am.
are you are married. Okay,
Yes.
when is your birthday?
February 2, 1992,
How old is your
ma'am.
husband and what is his occupation?
My husband is 29 years old and his occupation is farmer, vegetables, gardening.
What is your height and your weight?
My height is 157 centimeter and my weight is 64 kilograms.
What is your religion?
Roman Catholic,
What about your educational background?
high school graduate,
How many children do you have?
one,
How old?
one to 18 years old.
Okay, who will going to look after your child once you come to work here in Malaysia?
I'm sorry, ma'am.
Who will going to look after your child once you come to work here?
Uh, she's already college mom and she stay in the boarding house because she is only 18. Then she know how to care of herself.
Okay, so you get pregnant at the age of 16.
Yes, ma'am.
Your husband is the father of your child or no?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So how many brother and sister do you have?
One sister and two brothers.
What is your rank in your family?
Eldest,
How old is your mother and your father?
my mother is 52 years old and my father is 54 years old.
What is their occupation?
My father is farmer and my mother is already died.
Okay. Is your husband allowed you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. In which country you have your first working experience as a housemaid?
My first country working experience in Kuwait, they are five members of the family, one couple and three children. The three children is 10 years old boy, 8 years old girl, and 5 years old girl. So my chores in house is washing clothes, ironing, cleaning the house, uh, cooking, but is basic cooking in the Arabic foods.
Okay, how many years you work in Kuwait?
2 years finished contract.
What year did you started and what year did you finish your contract?
I started in 2018 and the end is 2020.
What month in 2018 and what year in 2020 you end your contract?
Uh, 2018 is October 18 until 2020 October 18.
All right. So are you the only helper or do you have companion inside the house?
I'm only helper mom.
After 2020, do you have any working experience?
Uh, I also work in the Hong Kong map.
How many years you work in Hong Kong?
1 year and 7 months
What
because
year
I
did
did
you
not finish.
started? What year did you started and what year did you finish?
I'm started in 2024 January 9 and I will come back in this 2025 2025 August 18 because I did not finish my work. My employers is they need to migrate in the US. That's why I come back and sit here in the Philippines.
Okay, what is your job scope there?
Sorry, ma'am.
What is your job responsibilities in Hong Kong?
I, my my main duties in Hong Kong. They are three members of family, one couple and 1 year old child. My main my main duties is taking the child, cleaning the house, washing clothes, and bring the child in the
Okay, ate, stop for a while.
school.
Did you do cooking there inside the house?
Yeah, I'm cooking also the
How many
basic
children inside the
basic
house?
1 years. I 1 month,
How old?
1 years old.
Okay, so remind yourself that working abroad in Kuwait is quite different here in Malaysia. That's a huge difference. I don't want later that once you come to work here, you will going to compare the Kuwait in Hong Kong. No such a thing. Employers here is very particular when it comes of cleanliness, and houses here is very big one. So you need to expect those unexpected one. Are you ready for
Okay,
any
ma'am.
task that the employer will be given to you?
Okay, ma'am.
Can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people? Yeah.
Sorry, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
Elder? No, ma'am. Yes. Can I pick her?
Can you cook?
Sorry. Yeah, I'm cook. I'm willing to cook.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes.
All right, this is a 2 years contract, and any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Terminating of contract without cause, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer, and at the same time with the agency, as nobody force you to come and work here in Malaysia, right?
Ma'am.
Usage of handphone, you are not allowed to use your phone during working time. You cannot hold your phone for 24 hours, but instead, you can hold it during nighttime only. After you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. And this is a
Okay.
strictly no go out policy. If you will work on your rest day, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with our rules and regulations?
Yeah, I'm okay, ma'am.
If you don't like our rules and regulations, better don't come here. Don't give us problem. You have a lot of choices. You can stay in the Philippines or find job opportunities into other countries, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted to give a better future for your children or for your family at the same time. In Philippines, you can be the boss there, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to humble ourselves, follow the rules and regulations of the employer, and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Any problems, any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the
Okay,
one
ma'am.
working inside the premises for 2 years, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Normally, how do you deal with your homesickness?
My homesickness, ma'am, is can I manage, ma'am, because I'm eldest of my family. That's why I can handle.
I think that's all for now, Rosemary. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Globalized agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay? Thank you so much
Okay,
and
ma'am.
have a good day.
Thank you
Bye.
so much, ma'am. Have a nice day.